How to turn off sensitive content on Twitter. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can easily turn off sensitive content on your Twitter account. Please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial, and if this video helps you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to get notified whenever we post new videos. So without further ado, let's get started. Open Twitter app, then tap here. Tap on View Content Preferences, tap on Search Settings. On some people's Twitter app, the Hide Sensitive Content feature is available here. If it's not available for you, there is another way to get the feature. So now what you have to do is that open any browser and search for Twitter. Then tap on this link. If it automatically redirects you to the Twitter app, uninstall the Twitter app. Now tap here. Tap on View Content Preferences, tap on Search Settings, and here you will find the Hide Sensitive Content option. You can turn it on or off as per your choice. So this is how you can turn off the sensitive content feature on Twitter. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks.